Hi, good evening. Welcome everyone to Wealth Wizards. This is Jagadish Chandran. Today we'll be sharing our YouTube channel performance of our cherry picks, which has generated and helped the investors and viewers and subscribers in generating an income of up to 30 to 50, 60, up to 100% return over a short term period of 6 months plus in our YouTube journey. I believe our updates is helping the investors and traders and our viewers in generating the income and taking their investment decisions. If so, do hit the like button and share it to your loved ones looking for market updates and interesting insights. If you are watching our channel for the first time, do hit the like button and share it to your loved ones looking for market updates and interesting insights, and do not miss to subscribe our channel for more updates, market updates and interesting insights. Do press the bell icon to get the notifications of our next video and get updated on the markets. That's all for now. Thank you. Happy investing and safe trading. Take care.